barbers and salon folks, they're not going to have to worry about going back to work after COVID-19 because we're working really hard across the nation to fuck up our home cuts.
Oh, look at this shit. You know, I effed that up. I sure did.
As an ex-stripper, I feel bad for the entertainment community. So I'm seriously considering going back to work, sweeping out my garage at least, maybe, not quite sure.
Nah, 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 nah. 42-year-old mama twins. How you like me now? Bow, bow, bow. You're gonna be like, ooh, I want her to sit on my lap.
And you can just send donations, just donations. I'm not trying to be greedy, to my PayPal account. I'm also over here turning into Farmer fucking Fud.
I got carrots, I got tomatoes, I got cucumbers, I got beans, I got garlic. I bought corn. A bitch bought corn. The corn is gonna grow. It's gonna grow so tall, and I'm not gonna be worried about it because I don't need to see my neighbors anyway. And if you wanna come over and try to take my groceries out of my backyard, just know I know how to boom. So basically, I'm doing my part during the coronavirus crisis by entertaining the world with stripper moves in my dirty garage with my home haircut. But you're not getting my fucking corn.